What options do sellers have if their home appraises for less than the sales price? Hi, it's Rupesh, and despite the shrinking pool of buyers due to high interest rates, now still is a great time to sell your home. Home prices are still increasing despite home interest rates still climbing, and as home prices still continue to rise, sometimes that can present a challenge for sellers when selling a property right now in the current market conditions. If your buyer's appraiser values the home for less than the actual sales price of your home, here are some options as to what you can do if your home sale appraises for less than the actual purchase price of the contract. The first thing what you can do is you can actually discuss with your real estate agent about the pricing that the appraiser has given to see if it's in line with the comparable sales in the area. So that way you are getting an idea of what homes are actually selling for using market knowledge by an actual real estate professional. Another thing what you can do is you can maybe look for some other comps in the area, maybe some homes that the appraiser has missed, and maybe you can challenge the appraisal with the comps that you're giving to the appraiser so that they can take those homes into consideration. A lot of times what happens is they use comparable sales, maybe they're a little bit further out and may have missed a home that is sold closer to the house that you're selling. And so therefore what you can do is you can actually send that to the appraiser to see if they're actually willing to make an adjustment on their side. The third thing what you can do is you can ask the buyer to make up the difference. Since we are still in a seller's market, sometimes buyers are willing to negotiate a little bit and maybe pay the difference between the appraised value and the purchase price of the contract. The fourth thing what you can do is you can actually just simply lower the sales price so that you can actually move forward to actually closing on your home and meeting the actual appraised value. So the final thing what you can do is you can actually just not agree to sell the property at that price and cancel the contract with the current purchaser and decide about moving on and potentially selling it to another buyer and putting it back onto the marketplace. These are just some things that come to mind when it comes to if an appraisal should come short on your home sale. We're always here to help you. Again, it's Rupesh, and if there's anything I can help you with in the future, drop me a line. Be happy to help.